Okay, so orange belt submission. Got the Master Lock 100-year anniversary. Keys are still connected. It is locked up. I'm just gonna do it the way that I've seen lockpicking lawyer do it. So I'm just gonna leave it in the package like that and give this thing a crack. Got my Covert Instruments FNG and Genesis kit. So, and a beard comb. Don't pay any attention to that though. Okay. Alright, let's see what kind of damage I can do here. Bottom of the keyway tension for me, because that's my favorite. Alright. Could click on one. Did I already click on two? Okay. Oh shit. Big bind on three. Okay, I think I lost one though. That was two. Okay, number one, number two, number three. Is it only a four? I didn't even read the back of the package. There it is. Maybe. I know this one's got spools in it. The way that I've seen it demonstrated before is hitting it with a rake first and then going through and single pinning it. I think I overset number one. I think they all just reset. Okay. Let's just go to the back first. There we go. Okay. Tension. Good lift on. Oh shit. Okay. So I got good rotation. I hope it didn't leave frame. Okay. Put that on the top, I guess. Try it this way out. Oh, please don't lose it. Rotate. Okay, I think it's fully rotated. Oh, got it. Crap. I don't know if I showed the rotation. Okay, I wonder if I can do it the way that they were doing it. Okay. Do it with this first. Oh shit. That was like a good rotate. That was a good full set. Okay. And then I guess follow it up with a single pin. First one seems good. Okay, so second. I can't. Oh, that's a big lift on three. Four. Oh, that was one. That's two. Three. Oh, I wonder where. I've never done that. Oh, that was a good click. That felt like one of the spools. Come on now. Maybe it's one. No, one. Oh, that was a big full set. Okay. That was three. Maybe. Drop. Lift. Oh, dang it. Now I'm losing it. Oh, is it going now? That was a good one. Come on now. I think it's number 3. Number 3 is giving me a headache. Counterspin? Or rotate? Come on. Just a little, just a little. Oh. Come on. Dang it. Try not to. There it goes. Oh. Okay. Hold it with my short hook for a second. Show that I actually got it unlocked. Good deal. Hopefully that didn't bend my hook too bad. Now it looks good. But it's actually still in the unlocked. Then rotate it back. Perfect. Master lock, 100-year anniversary lock picked.